You walk into the kitchen and stop dead in your tracks. You look around, baffled, and ask yourself, why am I here again? If that happens to you more often than you'd like, don't panic. Here's the good news. Protecting your memory, sharpening your focus, and keeping your brain agile as the years tick by doesn't require complicated routines. I've listed 10 foods you can easily incorporate into your meals that'll help keep your cognitive edge. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Hanz. If you're managing a career, raising a family, or enjoying a well-earned retirement, I'm here to help you find solutions that give you better energy, sharper focus, and stronger metabolic health. So let's kick things off. Food number 1, blueberries. Scientists call these brain berries for a reason. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that fight oxidative stress and lower inflammation in the brain. Research has associated regular berry consumption with slower cognitive aging by as much as 2.5 years in some observational studies. If you're not a fan, no problem. Blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries bring very similar antioxidant firepower to the table. Toss a handful into your oatmeal, and you're already investing in your afternoon focus. Number 2, leafy greens. We all know spinach and kale are the heavyweights here. They are loaded with vitamin K, lutein, and folate, which are associated with slower cognitive decline. But let's branch out. If you want to mix up your routine, try crisp bok choy in a stir-fry or tender water spinach in a quick garlic saute. Because these grow close to the ground, give them a thorough wash and try to buy organic when you can to reduce pesticide exposure. Number 3, nuts and seeds. If you're a busy professional working through a mid-morning slump, listen up. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that supports brain health. Or you can have a handful of almonds or hazelnuts for a good dose of vitamin E instead. And let's not forget seeds. Flax seeds and chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses. Stir a spoonful of chia into your water or yogurt. They help keep your energy steadier without the dreaded sugar crash. Number 4, legumes. Beans like soybeans and kidney beans, pulses like chickpeas and lentils, and green peas like garden and sugar snap peas are fantastic. They are packed with fiber and B vitamins that help support steady blood sugar and overall metabolic health. A steadier supply of glucose gives your brain the consistent fuel it needs to stay focused throughout the day. Now, most plant proteins are incomplete. To get all your essential amino acids, pair them with complementary carbs. Number 5, complex carbohydrates. Your brain runs almost entirely on glucose, but it hates roller coasters. Simple sugars cause brain fog. Complex carbs like brown rice, couscous, steel-cut oats, and quinoa break down slowly, giving your brain a steady, reliable drip of energy all day long. That steady supply of fuel helps support better focus and concentration throughout the day. Perfect for retirees keeping a busy calendar or parents running errands from dawn till dusk. Number 6, olive oil and avocado oil. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal that research suggests may support the brain's natural processes involved in clearing certain proteins associated with cognitive decline. And it's not just the oil that's fantastic for your brain. The fruits themselves, olives and avocados, are loaded with monounsaturated fats that support healthy blood flow, including to the brain. Number 7, fatty fish. If you can, choose wild salmon, but don't sleep on sardines, mackerel, trout, or herring. These are rich in EPA and DHA, the omega-3 fatty acids that are essential building blocks of your brain's cell membranes. Aim for a couple of servings a week to help support long-term brain health. Number 8, lean poultry. Chicken and turkey provide high-quality protein and are another useful source of choline, a nutrient that's essential for producing neurotransmitters involved in memory and mood. Always buy your poultry and fish fresh. Keep your fridge at the right temperature. And remember, unlike produce, you never wash raw poultry in the sink because that just splashes bacteria around your kitchen. Number 9, cacao. We aren't talking about sugary candy bars here. We mean dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao or pure cacao nibs. The flavonoids inside help increase blood flow to the brain and may support attention, mental performance, and alertness. And number 10, matcha. If afternoon coffee makes you jittery, swap it for ceremonial grade matcha. It gives you steady, calm alertness thanks to an amino acid called L-theanine. Now, let's wrap this up with a few important reminders. First, stay alert out there. Keep an eye on local food safety news, product recalls, and guidelines so you're always fueling your body safely. Second, don't ruin your hard work with daily frying and weekly char grilling. Stick to steaming, poaching, baking, or air frying. Most importantly, always check with your doctor before making major dietary changes. You don't need an extreme, restrictive routine to protect your mind as you age. Small, consistent habits add up to a sharper, more vibrant mind for decades to come. Catch up on our other videos and subscribe for more actionable health insights. Until next time, stay sharp and stay well. See you in the next video.